Γεια σας, καλημέρα. Με λένε Στάλο. Today we are going to talk about the word empathy and the Greek word that it's derived from, εμπάθεια. We have to be very careful how we use the word in Greek, and you will see why. So the word empathy comes from the Greek word εμπάθεια. Εμπάθεια. Εμπάθεια is a compound word. It consists of the preposition en, which means in, and the noun pathos, which means feeling, passion. The ni in front of p becomes mi, and that's why we have εμπάθεια, empathia, and not εμπάθεια. The definition of empathy is the ability to share in the emotional experience of another person. It's very similar to the word compassion. Let's see some examples of how we can use the word empathy in a sentence. She feels great empathy with the poor. The sociopath showed no empathy for his victims. Here we have the verb. I empathize with what you are going through. And here we have the adjective. He is very empathetic with people who suffer. In classical Greek, empathia meant deep emotion, deep passion. The word evolved through the ages, and unfortunately, today it has a negative meaning in modern Greek. It's defined as a strong feeling of hostility, malice, hatred, envy towards someone. Let's see some examples of how we can use the word εμπάθεια in a sentence. Η εμπάθεια απέναντι στον συμμαθητή του τον κάνει να του φέρεται πολύ άσχημα. Η εμπάθεια απέναντι στον συμμαθητή του τον κάνει να του φέρεται πολύ άσχημα. The hatred towards his classmate makes him treat him very badly. Τα λόγια του ήταν γεμάτα μίσος και εμπάθεια. Τα λόγια του ήταν γεμάτα μίσος και εμπάθεια. His words were full of hatred and malice. And here we have the adjective. Δεν έχει φίλους διότι είναι πολύ εμπαθής. Δεν έχει φίλους διότι είναι πολύ εμπαθής. He has no friends because he is very hateful. So, as you can see, empathy has a positive meaning, and it's very close to the word compassion. While εμπάθεια has a very strong negative meaning, and it means hostility, malice, hatred, envy. So then, how do we translate empathy into Greek? Well, we definitely don't want to use the word εμπάθεια, but we can use the word συμπόνια, which means compassion, or we can use a word that is relatively new with this specific meaning, the word ενσυναίσθηση, which means exactly that, empathy. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.